Okay, I have a LG dishwasher. It's probably about 15 years old. I very rarely even use the thing, but even when we first bought it, I noticed that there was every now and then some water that would leak on the left-hand side of the unit. Not much, maybe a tablespoon of water. It was kind of annoying. So I figured I'd pull the cover off and take a look at this. And what you're looking at, there's a fan right here, and then right here is a valve that opens up and allows moisture from inside the dishwasher to come into this ductwork, and then that fan blows it, down this ductwork, and the water eventually finds its way back into the dishwasher. But what I noticed was that it was leaking from right there, and then it was tracking down. You can see track down, some calcium buildup right there. And when I pull this apart, I found that this is smaller than this. So this, clips up in there. But it's like, why would you ever design something where, if you have water coming down, that you would drain it into a smaller diameter piece of ductwork? You can see that they put some black sealant tape in there to try to fix the problem, but yeah, it's just a poor design. Yeah, this piece, this opening should be bigger than this guy. This should be, this exit of this piece should be smaller, and this piece should clip over that. Otherwise, you're just asking for leaks. But anyway, as a consumer, you're stuck with whatever they give you. So yeah, I pulled this apart. I put some silicone around that whole thing as best I could, put it back together, and so far it hasn't leaked. But I just wanted to point that out to because I've seen online where a lot of people have water leakage issues on the left-hand side of their dishwasher, and if you have an LG, you might have that problem right there.